Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter on Peugeot 307 and 307cc. The cabin filter on this car is located in the engine compartment, just behind the engine at the firewall. It's located right there behind this plastic cover, so we need to pull out this cover and we'll see the cabin filter. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And that's the cabin filter right there. Now we need to pull it out and then get the new one and put it back in. Next we're going to put the plastic cover back on and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.